What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's out there having a great day. So this is going to be a video on why I buy an RT and not an SRT. So let's get right into it. Before we get started, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. Check out my other videos because I got tons of videos on everything I've done to my Durango, the troubles I've had, the issues, how I fixed them. So check out that. You can just go to my playlist and there's all kind of videos there. Check them out, give them a thumbs up if you enjoy them, and definitely make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now, why did I buy an RT and not an SRT? Well, for a couple reasons. So for one, I will say that I was looking at SRT Cherokees and SRT Durangos, and you know, they had some nice rides out there at the time I was looking. I really almost bought an SRT Cherokee. It was blue, it was nice, but I ended up buying an RT, and I'm happy that I bought an RT actually, and I will have this truck for a long time. I have no plans on selling it, getting rid of it, or anything like that. I think it's a great truck, recommended truck. It does have its issues, and you can check out my videos on some of the main issues it has, such as the racetrack taillight. But getting into the meat of the video, why I bought an RT and not an SRT, well, the first reason is, you know, I enjoy doing modifications on my ride. You know, the satisfaction of modifying your vehicle, making it look better, making it drive better, making it run more efficiently, and doing it yourself at the same time saving money, that just brings me some sort of enjoyment. Drop a comment below if you guys enjoy modding your vehicle. But you know, that was one of the reasons I bought an RT and not an SRT, so that I can do some modifications and make it sort of, not into it or SRT, but you know, make it similar to the SRT. On top of that, this came with a lot of the packages that the SRT already comes with. You know, you can add stuff to your packages, and so in that sense, I really didn't, you know, need to buy an SRT versus the RT. So I mean, there's just a number of reasons why I bought an RT over an SRT. Now, the main reason that I bought an RT over an SRT was it really came down to price. I wasn't about to be paying no $800 for a car note. You know what I mean? So, and at the time, for a lot of the SRTs that I was looking at, that's what they wanted, and that's kind of what I would have to pay monthly. So, you know, I went with the RT mainly because prices. The prices they weren't crazy as they are now. Prices are through the roof now. It's like, I'm actually glad that I bought my RT at the time, because now you're paying like 25, 30, even 40% more than the actual price was 2-3 years ago. So, and then on top of that, the interest rates are crazy. You know, so I'm glad I bought an RT over an SRT. Make sure you guys drop a comment below. What are you driving in? If you're driving in the RT, SRT, and why did you buy your RT or your SRT or whatever you have, a GT or Hellcat? Drop a comment below on why you bought your ride. But again, the reasons I bought my RT over an SRT was I wanted to make the modifications to it. I enjoyed that, the satisfaction of doing that, saving money. And then the main one was it really came down to pricing / payments. You know, that's really what it came down to. And so I went with the RT, and I'm not unhappy on buying the RT. You know, the RT models are, you know, they're great. They have their benefits, they have their downsides, or not even downsides. They have benefits but the SRT have benefits that the RT don't have, such as more power and torque. You know, I think they look a little better out of, you know, stock. I think they look a little better. So those were the reasons why I bought an RT over an SRT. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. Stay tuned because we got more great content on the way. I will see you guys in the next video. Alex RT Life signing off.